Russia carried out a third day of airstrikes in Syria on Friday as Russian President Vladimir Putin faced growing international criticism over his military campaign. The Russian Defense Ministry and the Kremlin said its planes hit Islamic State strongholds 6 times on Friday. The strikes completely destroyed an ISIL facility used to produce explosive devices near the city of Maaret al-Numan in Idlib province in northwest Syria. Russia insists its military campaign only targets the ISIL group, but the West is concerned Russia is also attacking militant groups opposed to Syrian President Bashar al-Assad to support its long-term ally. 7 countries, including the United States, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia, have called on Russia to stop the strikes. They said in a statement that these military actions constitute a further escalation and will only fuel more extremism and radicalization.